We are going to measure this an angle either in the anti-clockwise direction or in the clockwise direction. If theta lies between 90 to 180 degree, then theta is going to be known as obtuse angle. Slope of line joining 2 points is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Anti-clockwise direction always taken as a positive and clockwise direction always taken as a negative. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram, Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in this session, we are going to learn the new topic, which is nothing but chapter number 17 in your NCERT textbook. A chapter name is nothing but straight line. And here we are having session number 1. Now, what do you mean by a straight line? When the points are joining from one end to other end, it is going to be known as a straight line in general meaning. That means, if this is a point A and this is a point B, and the line joining the points A and B is said to be a straight line. A straight line can be a parallel, straight line can be a perpendicular lines, a line can be a slant line. So any line, if you take it as, it will be considered as a line only, isn't it? So depending upon what position it is, we are going to give the names of the lines as well. Now here, what are all the topics we are going to study under this session are nothing but, what do you mean by a slope of a line? Condition for parallel and perpendicular lines, slope of a line joining 2 points, and then the problems. So 1 marker, 2 marker, and then 3 marker problems you are going to study under this session. Now we'll move on to the definition of a slope of a line. Here we are going to define slope is nothing but definition as letter M we are going to consider. So slope is nothing but slope or a gradient of a line. This is very important. And here we have considered the two lines, the line which is moving from right to left and the line which is moving from left to right. So this line is neither parallel to the x-axis nor perpendicular to the x-axis, isn't it? A slant line we are going to take it as, and then a position of the line you can observe like this. And what we are measuring an angle, we are going to consider this angle is nothing but the theta. So we are going to measure this an angle either in the anti-clockwise direction or in the clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction always taken as a positive and clockwise direction always taken as a negative. And anti-clockwise direction, here we are going to take it as in the first quadrant, means if 0 to 90 degree, theta will be acute, and obtuse angle means it will be between 90 to 180 degree. Theta will be negative. And how we are going to do the definition like this? The slope, we are going to name that one as the letter M of a line with an inclination theta. Theta is nothing but the inclination we are going to name it as, and not perpendicular to the x-axis, as I already told you, is defined to be tangent of the angle made by the line with the positive direction of the x-axis. This is very important. In the negative direction, it will be negative. That means the clockwise direction. We are defining the formula is nothing but M is equal to tan theta is nothing but a slope or gradient of a line formula, isn't it? Now here, the slope of a line perpendicular to the x-axis is not at all defined, because if you are substituting M is equal to tan, perpendicular means 90 degree, tan 90 degree is nothing but not defined or undefined. So, and then we are going to take that one as infinity. Understood? Here, we have taken following observation can be made by the diagram what I have shown you. Here, let theta be an angle made by the line with the x-axis in the positive direction. Now, slope of a line is positive. It is said to be positive means tan theta. That is, tan theta is positive. If tan theta is positive means theta lies between 0 degree and then 90 degree. 0 degree and 90 degree. And here, if lies between 0 and 90 degree means theta will be always acute angle. Understood? Now next, slope of a line is negative means tan theta will be negative. Theta lies between 90 to 180 degree. If theta lies between 90 to 180 degree, then theta is going to be known as obtuse angle. Are you getting this one? I hope you got this one by the explanation. And dear students, you can observe what is tan of 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta falls in the second quadrant. Second quadrant tan will be negative. So which implies that minus tan theta. This is according to the standard angles and the allied angles. So slope will be negative when falls in the second quadrant. Falls into the second quadrant. Understood? We'll move on to the next concept. That is, from the above observation, we can have if the slope of a line is positive as we move from left to right, then the line will raise. That is, the line will raise like this, isn't it? As we move from the right to left, here can have from left to from left to right, it is the line will raise, and from the right to left, it is the line will fall. Understood? It is not left to right, it is from right to left. Okay, right to left means the line will fall. This you have to understand. This is very, very important also. Now, if line is parallel to the x-axis, then the angle made by the line is nothing but the 0. That is, m will be is equal to tan 0, which is 0. And if the lines are parallel, m1 will be is equal to m2. That you have to remember. If the lines, see here, if the lines, this is AB line, okay, and this is CD line. Two lines are parallel. If this is a slope m1, if this is having a slope m2, m1 will be m2 if the lines are said to be parallel. Similarly, if the lines are said to be perpendicular, this is a line AB and this is a line CD, then AB is perpendicular to CD, then m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Product of two slopes. Slope of AB I am taking as m1, slope of CD m2. m1 into m2 is equal to -1. That is a condition for perpendicularity. As you know already, the slope of a line parallel to the y-axis, which is a vertical line, or perpendicular to the x-axis, then the tan 90 degree it is defined as not defined, which is a symbol as infinity. These are all the conditions you have to know to solve the problems. Now here, the next point is 3 points are said to be, that is A, B, C, they have taken the point A, B and then C. These 3 points are said to be, this is a x-axis, this is a y-axis, right? So these points are said to be collinear if slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, or according to two slopes of any point, 2 points are equal means the points are said to be collinear. They are going to ask you the question in your examination like this: prove that the given points A, B, C are said to be collinear according to this straight line. If they ask, you should prove slope of AB must be equal to slope of BC, or any two slopes are equal, points are said to be collinear points. I hope you got this one also. Now, we'll be having the formula slope of a line joining 2 points. What is the slope of a line joining 2 points is given by 2 points I'm taking as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Slope of line joining 2 points is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If theta is given, m is equal to tan theta. If 2 points are given, m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This you have to remember to solve the problems. We'll move on to now solving the problem. DS, what they have asked. Find the slope of a line joining the points 3, 2 and -1, 5. Let me take this points as x1, y1 and this point as x2, y2. Now what is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now you can substitute here. Y2 minus y1 is 5 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1 is -1 minus 3, which implies 5 minus 2 is 3. divided by -1 minus 3 is -4, which implies the value will be m is equal to -3 by 4. Now slope is negative means tan theta will be negative. If tan theta is negative means theta will be obtuse. Understood? Now finding this as well as taking this is x1 y1 and x2 y2 using the same formula. This formula only we are going to use it. So which implies m will be is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 0, divided by x2 minus x1, 0 minus 2, which implies m is equal to 2 minus 0 is 2, divided by 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 2 will get cancelled, m is equal to minus 1. Here also you are getting the slope as negative. If slope is negative, tan theta is negative. If tan theta is negative, theta lies between 90 degree to 180 degree. 90 degree to 180 degree means theta is called obtuse angle. I hope you got this one. We'll move on to the next problem, dears. What they've asked, if the slope of a line joining 3, a and 4, 3 is 7 by 2, find a. So slope of a line joining this and this is 7 by 2. So given m is equal to 7 by 2 and let a of 3, a, b of 4, 3 be the given points. I am given a name for the points, that is A and B, and then slope of AB, that is m is equal to, we know that y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Consider this was x1 y1, x2 y2. M we know that 7 by 2 is equal to y2 minus y1, 3 minus a, divided by x2 minus x1, 4 minus 3, which implies 7 by 2 is equal to 3 minus a as it is, divided by 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1, cross multiply, 7 ones are 7 is equal to 2 3s are 6, minus 2 into a is 2a. Now taking minus 2a to this side and taking 7 to that side, 2a will be is equal to 6 minus 7, or 2a is equal to minus 1, or a will be is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is your answer. By the given condition, we have found out the value of a is minus 1 by 2. I hope you got this one, how to solve. Okay dears, we'll move on to the next question. What they've asked. If the line joining the point 6, 4 and 8, k makes an angle 45 degree with the x-axis, find k. 45 degree falls in the first quadrant, 0 to 90 degree between. So theta will be acute. It is a positive. So they have given theta is 45 degree. If theta is 45 degree, we know that m is equal to tan theta, which is tan 45 degree. Theta substituting. Tan 45 degree is 1. Therefore, m is equal to 1 is a value. Now, they have given if the line joining the points 6, 4 and 8, k is equal to m. That is a 45 degree. M tan 45 degree, which is 1. Therefore, I can consider let a of 6, 4, b of 8, k be the given points. So therefore, we know that m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We have found out m is nothing but 1, which is tan 45 degree. y2 minus y1 means k minus 4. Taking this one as x1 y1, taking this one as x2 y2, k minus 4 divided by 8 minus 6. Solving this again, 1 will be is equal to k minus 4 as it is, divided by 8 minus 6 is 2. Cross multiplying 2 will be is equal to k minus 4. Otherwise, you can shift minus 4 to this side. K will be is equal to 2 plus 4, which is the value. K will be is equal to 2 plus 4 is nothing but 6. Now, by the given condition of the theta inclination, we have found out m, and then by given points of the line joining that 2 points, we have found out again y2 minus y1. Substituting the m, we got the value of k. I hope you got this one also. We'll move on to the next problem. What they've asked. Find the slope of the line with inclination pi by 3. Inclination means what? Theta. So given theta is equal to pi by 3. If you don't know how to find out pi by 3 converted into a degree, you can multiply by 180. Pi by 3 into 180 will be is equal to 3 ones are 3. 6, which is nothing but 60 degree. Pi by 3 is nothing defined as 60 degree, right? Now they have asked you to find out slope. So m is equal to tan theta because theta they have given. So m will be is equal to tan 60 degree. What is tan 60 degree value? M will be is equal to root 3. That's it, dears. This is how you are going to find out the slope by given inclination. This will be asked for a 1 marker. I hope you got this one. We'll move on to the next problem. What they've asked, if the slope of a line AB is 3 by 2 and the line CD is perpendicular to AB, then find the slope of CD. They have given line CD is perpendicular to AB. This is CD, AB. Now if I consider this one as M1, if I consider this AB as M2, we know that perpendicular line M1 dot M2 will be is equal to minus 1. Now let me find out slope of AB first, because they have given already slope of AB not to find out. They have given already it is 3 by 2. Given slope of AB is 3 by 2, which I am going to consider as M1. Now slope of since the line CD is perpendicular to AB, we know that M1 dot M2 is equal to let slope of CD is equal to M2. Now according to the diagram, slope of AB is M2 and slope of CD is M1, right? Now therefore we know that M1 dot M2 is equal to minus 1. M1 we don't know what it is. M2 we know that 3 by 2, which will be is equal to minus 1. Therefore M1 is equal to, cross multiplying it will be giving you minus 2 by 3. Negative reciprocal of the slope gives you the perpendicular slope. That's it, dears. M1 is equal to minus 2 by 3, which is nothing but the slope of CD. That's it, dears. I hope you got this one, how to solve. We'll move on to the next problem, dears. Using the slopes, prove that the points 1, 1, minus 2, 4, 3, minus 1 are collinear. Now, collinear means two slopes will be equal, correct? Let me take it as given points are let A of 1, 1, B of minus 2, 4, C of 3, minus 1 be the given points. Now, you can have it as slope of AB, which will be y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1, minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, which cancel, minus 1 is the answer. Now, let me find the slope of BC. What is BC? BC is minus 1 minus 4, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, 3 minus of minus 2, which implies minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 divided by 3 minus of minus 2 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So, which will get cancelled is minus 1 again. See, slope of AB is equal to slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Therefore, the points ABC are said to be collinear. Understood? This type of problem will be asked for a 2 marker. I hope you got this one, how to solve. We'll move on to the next question, dears. Here what they have given the next question is, find K if AB is parallel to CD, where A of K, 1, B of 4, 3 and C of 1, 5 and D of minus 1, 1 are the given points. Now, dears, if the lines are parallel, see, if lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. Okay, if lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. So here, this if I am considering as line AB, this if I am considering as line CD, slope of AB, let me take it as M1, slope of CD, let me take it as M2. If the lines are parallel, then the condition is M1 is equal to M2. We know the formula, M is given by, if the 2 points are given, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now according to that data, we can take it as slope of AB. Slope of AB, this is given, right? They only given. AB is parallel to CD. Given slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. So here I am taking the A point as x1, y1, B point as x2, y2. Similarly, C point as x1, y1 and D point as x2, y2. Now, substituting according to the formula of y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 for AB, 3 minus 1 divided by 4 minus k, which implies slope of CD will be 1 minus 5 divided by minus 1 minus 1. Therefore, 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus k is equal to 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 1 is minus 2. Minus minus will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are, which will become 2 by 1. By getting cross multiplied, 2 ones are 2. 2 will be is equal to, see, 2 fours are 8 minus 2 into minus k is minus 2k. Now you can shift 2k to this side and 2 to that side. 2k will be is equal to 8 minus 2. So 2k will be is equal to 6. Otherwise, 2 ones are 2 threes are. So k will be is equal to 3. This is your answer. I hope you got this one, how to solve by the condition of parallelism of slopes. Right? We'll move on to the next question, dears. What they've asked the next question, dears, if 3A lies on the line joining 1, minus 4 and minus 2, 5, find A. So this point is on the line of the joining these 2 points. Therefore, I am considering here, let P of 3, A and A of 1, minus 4, B of minus 2, 5 be the given points. Be the given points. So if the line is, if this point is lying on this 2 points, therefore this slope, that is slope of PA is equal to slope of PB. So therefore, you can take it as slope of PA is y2 minus y1. This is minus 4 minus A divided by x2 minus x1. 1 minus 3 is equal to, again, y2 minus y1, which is 5 minus A divided by x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 3. Now by solving this, minus 4 minus A as it is, I am writing minus 4 minus A divided by 1 minus 3 is minus 2, which implies 5 minus A as it is divided by minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So therefore, you can cross multiply this by taking what? So minus sign as a common factor here. So which implies 4 plus A divided by, if you multiply the minus sign here, what it will become? A minus 5, then it will get cancelled, right? So A minus 5 divided by 5. Now you can cross multiply. 5 fours are 20 plus 5A is equal to 2A. 2 fives are 10. Now you can collect all the terms of A to one side, constant terms to that side. So 5A minus 2A is equal to minus 10 minus 20. Now 5A minus 2A is nothing but 3A. 3A is equal to minus 30. Otherwise 3 ones are 3 tens are. So therefore A will be is equal to minus 10. This is your answer. I hope you got this one, how to solve. We'll move on to the next question, dears. What they have given? Show that the following points form a right-angled triangle. What do you mean by right-angled triangle? This is what the right-angled triangle, correct? Now you can take it as this is A, B, C. Now slope of AB is perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular means you are having product of the two slopes must be equal to -1. If you are proving that product of two slopes is equal to -1, then the given points are said to be a right-angled triangle according to the given condition. Now here, let me take it as their given points are already A of 5, 4, B of -6, 2 and C of 2, -2. Let me find out slope of AB. Slope of AB is y2 minus y1, which is 2 minus 4 divided by x2 minus x1, that is -6 minus 5, which implies 2 minus 4 is -2 divided by -6 minus 5 is -11. So, which implies that 2 by 11, which is slope of AB. Now, let me take it as slope of BC. What is slope of BC? Again, y2 minus y1, that is -2 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1. 2 minus of -6 is +6, which implies -2 minus 2 is -4 divided by 2 plus 6 is 8, which implies 4 ones are 4 twos are, which is -1 by 2. Now let me find out if these product of two slopes are never equal to -1. Let me find out product of, that is slope of CA. Now, which implies slope of CA, which is C is x1, y1, x2, y2. Therefore, y2 minus y1, 4 minus of -2, which is +2, divided by, we are having y2 minus y1, that is 5 minus 2. x2 minus x1. This is y2 minus y1 is 4 plus 2. x2 minus x1 is 5 minus 2, which implies 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now you can observe, dear students. See, let me call this one as M1. Let me call this one as M2. See there, M1 dot M2. What it will be? Implies M1 is -1 by 2 into M2 is 2. 2 will get cancelled. Implies that -1. See, product of two slopes are said to be -1 means the given point said to be a right angle triangle. This is how you are going to prove. Understood? We'll move on to the next question. Show that the following points form a right angled triangle. Here also same question they have given, but the different points they have. So here let me take it as slope of AB finding. Slope of AB is equal to, that is 3 minus 8 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 1 minus 6. 3 minus 8 is -5, 1 minus 6 is -5, which implies 1. -5 will get cancelled. Now let me find out slope of BC. Now taking BC as x2, y2 and B as x1, y1. Okay, B as x1, y1, C as x2, y2. Now 2 minus 3, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, 4 minus 1, which implies 2 minus 3 is -1 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3. Now, next let this product of two slopes never equal to -1. Let me find out slope of CA. Slope of CA is equal to x1, y1, x2, y2. 2 minus 8, 2 minus 8 divided by 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6. What is 2 minus 8? 2 minus 8 is -6 divided by 4 minus 6 is -2. Now 2 ones are 2 threes are minus will get cancelled, having the answer as 3. Now you can consider what it will be. So this as M1, this as M2. Now what is M1 dot M2? M1 into M2, which implies M1 is -1 by 3 into M2 is 3. 3 will get cancelled. Therefore, M1 dot M2 is equal to -1. This is how you are going to prove the answer. Therefore, the given points are said to be the right angle triangle. Okay. Now, what is the next question they have asked? What is the value of y so that the line joining 4, 1 and y, 3 is perpendicular to the line joining 1, 6 and -1, -2. So what is the value of y so that the line joining perpendicular means what? The product of two slopes will be is equal to -1, isn't it? Let me find out the slope of these two. So consider, let a of 4, 1, b of y, 3, c of 1, 6, this one, d of -1, -2, be the given points. Be the given points. Okay. I'm going to consider this point as like that. Now I need to find out slope of AB. So slope of AB, because they have given they are perpendicular to each other. So which I am going to implies M1. Okay. M1 implies slope of AB, which implies y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 is y minus x1 is 4. And then let M2 is equal to slope of CD. Slope of CD again, y2 minus y1, that is -2 minus 6 divided by x2 minus x1, -1 minus 1, which implies -2 minus 6 is -8 by -2. 2 1s are 2 4s are, which implies 4. Now according to the given condition, M1 dot M2 will be is equal to -1 because they have given perpendicular to these both line, right? Perpendicular means we know the condition M1 into M2 is equal to -1. So M1 we have found out 3 minus 1 divided by y minus 4 into M2 we have found out which is 4 is equal to -1. Let me multiply this 4. 3 minus 1 is nothing but what? 2. So 2 4s are 8 divided by y minus 4 is equal to -1. Otherwise you can cross multiply. 8 will be is equal to -y plus 4 because minus into plus y is minus y. Minus into -4 is +4. Now you can take y to this side. You can bring 8 to that side, which will become y will be is equal to, see, -8 plus 4, which the value -4. This is the value of y. Understood? I hope you got this one. How to solve by the condition of perpendicularity of the slopes, right? We'll move on to the next question, dears. State whether the two lines AB and CD are parallel, perpendicular or neither of them. So we need to find out the slope of AB, slope of CD, because they have given to find whether these lines are parallel or perpendicular. Parallel means slopes will be equal, that is M1 equal to M2. Perpendicular means M1 dot M2 is equal to -1. If both are nothing but neither of them, okay? That means if the lines neither parallel nor perpendicular. So here, slope of AB, let me find out according to the given point. Slope of AB, which is y2 minus y1, 3 minus 6 divided by 2 minus 5, which implies 3 minus 6 is -3, 2 minus 5 is -3, so which implies +1, right? Again, slope of CD. Slope of CD is equal to -5 minus 2 divided by 6 minus 9, which implies -5 minus 2 is -7 divided by 6 minus 9 is -3. So which implies 7 by 3. See, neither M1 equal to M2 or M1 dot M2 is equal to -1. They are neither parallel nor perpendicular. That is what the answer. The lines are neither parallel nor perpendicular. Which lines? The lines A, B and CD. Okay. I hope you got this one. We'll move on to the next question. Same, they have given state whether the two lines A, B and CD are parallel, perpendicular or neither. They have given the point. Let me find out slope of AB first. Slope of AB is equal to 3 minus 2 divided by y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, -5 minus 8, which implies 3 minus 2 is 1 divided by -5 minus 8 is nothing but -13, which implies -1 by 13. Now we need to find out slope of CD. slope of CD will be is equal to 15 minus 6 divided by y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus 16, which will be is equal to 15 minus 6 is nothing but 9 divided by 3 minus 16 is nothing but minus 13, right? So which is never equal to minus 9 by 13. The lines are neither parallel nor perpendicular because never two slopes are equal and never perpendicular slopes will be equal to minus 1. That is m2 dot m1 equal to minus 1. Never. So we'll move on to the next question. Show that the line joining 2, minus 3 and minus 5, 1 is parallel to the line joining 7, minus 1 and 0, 3, perpendicular to the line joining 4, 5 and 0, minus 2. Let me find out now. Slope of the line is nothing but this one. What is that? Let. Here I am considering A of 2, minus 3, B of minus 5, 1, be the given points. And then now I am going to find out the slope of this. What is slope of AB? Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 1 minus of minus 3. 1 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. 1 plus 3 divided by minus 5 minus 2, which is 1 plus 3 is 4 divided by minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7, which is minus 4 by 7. Let me keep as it is this one. Now we need to consider for A, parallel to the line joining means you need to find out these two slopes also. I am considering let C of 7, minus 1 and D of 0, 3 be the given points. Now we need to find out this slopes. Slope of CD. Slope of CD will be is equal to, that is 3 minus of minus 1 divided by 0 minus 7, which implies 3 minus of minus 1 is 4 divided by 0 minus 7 is minus 7, which implies minus 4 by 7. Yes, the lines are said to be parallel because slopes are equal, right? Showing the first one. Second one, we know that slope of AB is nothing but minus 4 by 7. What we have found out, isn't it? This one, right? Now we need to find out slope of this. Let me consider this point as E and D, B. Okay, let E of, what is that? 4, 5 and D of 0, minus 2 be the given points. Therefore, you can find the slope of DE. So, y2 minus y1, that is 5 minus of minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, which is 4 minus 0, which implies 5 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, which is 7 divided by 4, which is a slope of DE. Now, what you need to multiply? Let me multiply slope of AB into slope of DE. If these two product of the slopes are equal, means the lines are said to be perpendicular. Therefore, slope of AB is minus 4 by 7 into slope of DE is 7 by 4. Now you can see 7 will get cancelled, 4 will get cancelled. Minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, the lines are said to be a perpendicular. I hope you got this one. We'll move on to the next question, dears. What they've asked. What is the value of x so that the line joining x, 2 and 11, 8 is parallel to the line through the points 8, 12 and 0, 6. Last question they have given it as find value of y. So the lines are perpendicular. Perpendicular means product of two slopes equal to minus 1. Parallel means two slopes are equal. That is m1 equal to m2, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let me consider it as let A of x, 2, B of 11, 8, C of 8, 12 this one, and D of 0, 6 be the given points. So therefore, we know that since lines are parallel, this is a given condition. Lines are parallel. This is a given condition. Here they have given. So slope of AB equal to slope of CD. That's it. Now find out 8 minus 2, y2 minus y1 divided by 11 minus x is equal to slope of 6 minus 12 CD divided by 0 minus 8, which implies you can simplify this one. 8 minus 2 is nothing but 6 divided by 11 minus x is equal to 6 minus 12 is minus 6 divided by 0 minus 8 is minus 8. So here you can cancel also 6 and 6, correct? So remaining is 1 divided by 11 minus x is equal to 1 by 8. Cross multiply. 8 ones are 8 is equal to 11 minus x. Otherwise, you can bring x to this side, 8 to that side. So x will be is equal to 11 minus 8. Otherwise, 11 minus 8 is nothing but x is equal to 3, correct? 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 minus 8 is nothing but 3 you are going to have it as. I hope you got this one, how to solve by condition of parallelism. That is, slopes are equal. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood how to solve the problems on the parallelism and perpendicularity of the lines. Perpendicularity means product of the two slopes will be equal to minus 1. M1, M2 equal to minus 1. If the lines are parallel means M1 is equal to M2. You know that the slope of a line is given by m equal to tan theta, and slope of line joining 2 points is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So dear students, you have to remember all this one to solve the problems on the straight line. I hope you got this session how to solve the problems based on the basic conditions of the straight lines. Or basic conditions means you can have a slope of a line as well as a condition for parallel line and then perpendicular lines. So in the next session, we'll be moving on to some more concepts of solving the straight line problems. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.